With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, the question is oxygen containing carotenoids are. Oxygen containing carotenoids are option 1 keratins, option 2 xanthophylls, option 3 phycobilins, and option 4 anthocyanins. So the correct answer is option 2, that is xanthophylls. Xanthophylls are oxygen containing carotenoids. So students, in the question, 4 options are given. We need to tell which one is the oxygen containing carotenoids. So all these 4 options belong to the group of plant pigments, of which upper 3 belongs to the group of photosynthetic pigment. So what are photosynthetic pigments? Photosynthetic pigments they are the only plant pigments that have the ability to absorb energy from sunlight and make it available for the process of photosynthesis. They trap the energy from the sunlight and provide it for the process of photosynthesis. So in the plants there are 3 major photosynthetic pigments are found. The 3 major photosynthetic pigments are chlorophyll, carotenoids, and phycobilins. Carotenoid and phycobilins. So chlorophyll includes chlorophyll A, B, C, and G. So students, out of these 3 photosynthetic pigments, chlorophylls belong to the group of, or they are known as principal photosynthetic pigment or primary photosynthetic pigment, whereas carotenoids and phycobilins are known as accessory photosynthetic pigment. They are known as accessory photosynthetic pigment. So let's move on to the main part of the question, that is oxygen containing carotenoids are. So as we have discussed, the carotenoids are photosynthetic pigments. So we need to tell which of the carotenoids are oxygen containing. So let's discuss it further. So the carotenoids are lipid soluble pigments in plants. They are the lipid soluble pigments in plants which are found in plants, algae, and carotenoids are found in plants, algae, and photosynthetic bacteria. They produce red, orange, and bright yellow color in plants, vegetables, and fruits. Okay, students. So the carotenoids are classified into 2 main types. That is, they are classified into 2 main types. That is xanthophylls and keratins. Xanthophylls and keratins. So xanthophylls are they have more of a yellow pigment. Xanthophylls have more of yellow pigment and they pigment and which includes lutein and zeaxanthin. Lutein and zeaxanthin. 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 Okay, student. So out of these two carotenoids, the xanthophyll contains the oxygen. Xanthophyll contains the oxygen, whereas carotenes do not contain oxygen and are associated with more of orange color. They are associated with orange color. And the type of carotenes are, the carotenes include beta carotene and lycopene. So students, here we got the answer. Oxygen containing carotenoids are xanthophylls. This is the correct option. Our other three options, carotenes, phycobiolins and anthocyanins, are incorrect. Carotenes do not contain oxygen and our other two options are phycobiolins and anthocyanins. So phycobiolins belong to the group of red or blue photosynthetic pigments. It belongs to the group of red or blue photosynthetic pigments present in some algae and red alga, cyanobacteria, etc. So although it is a photosynthetic pigment, but it doesn't belong to the group carotenoids. Our fourth option is anthocyanins. Which belong to the class of flavonoids, which are not directly involved in photosynthesis, but they provide color to the leaves, flowers, or even fruits. They provide color to the leaves, flowers, and even fruits. So this is also incorrect option. So our correct answer is xanthophyll. They are the oxygen containing carotenoids. That's all. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.